Hello friends, welcome to Shridhi Vlog. Hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is about latest gold bangles designs. One of the oldest and most well-known form of gold jewelry, bangles are a significant part of Indian culture and traditions. Bangles are made with a range of materials including gold, glass, ivory and lac among others. They adorn the wrist and are one of the symbols of married women in a number of different communities. Gold bangles are worn by women to elevate their beauty and elegance. The wearing of bangles continues to be a vibrant tradition throughout the world. From ancient times till today, the significance of bangles was deep-rooted within the cultures and traditions. Bangles hold a place of pride in wedding ceremonies of India. Very much like a Mangalsutra, which is an identity of a married woman, bangles hold a very significant place on the wedding day and beyond. In the South Indian states, gold is considered extremely auspicious. In some communities, the brides wear green-colored glass bangles along with the gold ones, since green signifies fertility and prosperity. For Indian women, bangles are not just mere ornaments. Indian women love their bangles. It is a tradition to wear bangles after marriage for the sake of health, luck and prosperity. Bangles are more than accessories for Indian women. They are a part of their identity. In order to help you and keep you updated about the latest jewelry designs, we also constantly keep coming up with these charming, most stylish and trending designs available in the market and online and presenting to you. You can select any of these models which you like the most. Our channel is to showcase the latest trends and designs in the market. We are not selling or affiliating any of the models in this video. These designs are for educational purpose only. The prices may change as per the gold rate on the present day. The weight and prices are approximate only. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from our channel. Stay tuned with us. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.